SureFi is a revolutionary RF technology designed from the ground up to communicate over long distances and through heavy obstructions. Utilizing advanced techniques and modulations, SureFi takes RF to a whole new level of reliability and security. See the powerful possibilities of SureFi RF technology on your own project with the SureFi Evaluation Kit. Inside your kit are two range testers. Turn on both devices using the power switch on the back of the units. Once powered on, you can send a test signal from one device to another by pressing the button on the front of either of the units. The blue lights on the front of the device indicate the test signal strength. Instead of pulling wire, sometimes hundreds of feet in a building, from a thermostat to a furnace, first perform a range test using your SureFi Evaluation Kit. After verifying the system can successfully communicate from the thermostat to the furnace, you can confidently install a wireless SureFi system, saving time and money. Are there natural obstacles such as rivers and hills between your equipment locations? Use your range testers to confirm that your SureFi units will be able to communicate from your equipment locations. Once verified, you can install a SureFi system. No need for costly trenching or running wire across water. Traditionally, installing access control at a multi-story parking garage is labor-intensive. With the Range Evaluation Kit, you can efficiently test all your entrances. Once you've established that SureFi will work, simply install a unit at each access point. To demonstrate its signal strength, we use the SureFi Range Evaluation Kit at the Empire State Building. Keeping one range tester in the lobby, we brought the other to the 80th floor. Despite 953 feet of RF interference, construction, and dense materials, we successfully maintained a clear signal. If you are looking for more ideas on how you can use SureFi in your project, visit our YouTube channel. With potential like this, how will you put your free evaluation kit to the test? For more information about SureFi or to see how you can get your free evaluation kit, contact us today at surefi.com.